When we add or subtract a vector, we are either going to add or subtract the corresponding x, y, and z components of our vectors of interest. For example, say we want to complete the following vector addition subtraction. We have vector A plus vector B minus vector C. Given A is equal to 2.0, 3.0, 1.0, B is equal to 5.0, 6.0, 3.0, and C is equal to 1.0, 2.0, 7.0. We would have 2.0 plus 5.0 minus 1.0, i.e. the sum and subtraction of our x terms, which yields 6.0. Then we have 3.0 plus 6.0 minus 2.0, which would give us 7.0 for our resultant y term. And then we have 1.0 plus 3.0 minus 7.0, which would give us minus 3.0 for the x term. Note, the order of operations does not matter. We just cannot put a parenthesis because that changes our mathematical operation. Now, when we add two or more vectors, their sum is known as a resultant. And we can do this addition process graphically or mathematically. To do this graphically, we would draw our vectors head to tail. And then we're going to draw the resultant from our point of origination to the point of termination of our series of vectors. And if we do this mathematically, we're just going to sum our x, y, and z components as we did in example 6. Note, vector addition obeys the parallelogram law of addition. Please click the hyperlink to read more. Now in example 7, say we want to determine the resultant of the summation of our following vectors. We have vector A, which is expressed as 2.0, 5.0, 5.0, and vector B, which is expressed as 5.0, 0.0, 3.0. We first can do this graphically, as shown to the figure to the right. We're going to take the tail of vector A and place it on the head of vector B. Then we're going to draw a resultant vector from the tail of vector B to the head of vector A. Thus, our resultant would be a vector 7.0, 5.0, 8.0. Now this is hard to see in a three-dimensional space, so our preferred method is to do this mathematically, where we're going to sum our x, y, and z components of our two vectors respectively. In doing such, C would be equal to A plus B, and the resultant would be 7.0, 5.0, 8.0. And we prefer this method because it's very robust.